Hi guys, I am Apurva and in today's video I will be sharing with you some Amazon travel find which will make your travel super seamless and easy. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the travel find I have curated all the product over time which make most of the use when you are traveling. So I have included all the products in the video. Okay, disclaimer, there is no particular order in which I will be sharing the product. Also, the price keep fluctuating, so I will link the product down below and you can check them. First product is this hard case jewelry organizer. This is in the variant pink, which is so cute. This is how the jewelry organizer look from inside. You can store, and here you can store the earrings. In this section you can store the rings, and here you can store the bracelet, and this is adjustable. You can adjust it according to your liking, like this. I have been using this jewelry organizer since 8 to 9 months and this comes super handy. Another jewelry organizer is this. This is the soft case jewelry organizer for storing the heavy and chunky jewelry like you usually wear on the occasion of wedding functions. This is how it looks from inside. It has soft touch to it. There is a sponge. You will get so many pockets like this. Here also you can store the jewelry. You get 4 transparent pocket with this to store all the heavy jewelry, and also this 2 side pockets. Also the pockets are quite deep. It has a sponge lining to it and it will make sure that your jewelry is not broken with the pressure. Also this is very compact, so you can easily travel with this one. Up next I have this makeup brush holder. This is in the classic black color. This is so compact and lightweight. You can just easily open it and see. I have all the brushes inside and it holds so many brushes. Also, I have some space left over here. I can store more brushes in this. If you are keeping your brushes in this holder, it will make sure that there is no dust and no tangling of the brush bristles. It can easily fit into a tote bag also, and also this is very lightweight. Up next I have 4-in-1 travel dispenser and it looks so cute and it comes so handy. You can easily dispense the product from here. You just have to twist it and like this. See, the product is coming out. For refill you just have to twist it like this and you can get 4 of them. I already filled this 3. This small tube can contain up to 50 ml of product. To lock this, you just have to twist it like this. This is 4-in-1 product. You don't have to carry shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion separately. This is so good. Up next, I have this makeup brush cleaner. You will get a sponge over here and you have to just swirl the brush like this and it will remove all the makeup from the brush, and brush is ready for the next use. See, there is no pigment in the brush. Also this product is reusable. You can use it as many times as you want. Also I forgot to mention, this is travel friendly brush. You will get blush over here. You will get foundation brush over this side, and while you twist it like this, it opens up. You will get eyeshadow blending brush over here. Also you will get a small eyeshadow brush. Also this brush is very travel friendly and very affordable, and it works so beautifully. I have used it so many times. Also all the product are very affordable. You can easily afford it. Up next I have this steam iron by the Philips. This is portable steam iron. You can just open it. To use, you have to fill water. You have to fill water here and close this lid and attach to the steam iron. When you wear wrinkled clothes, it doesn't look presentable, so this comes super handy. You just have to hang the cloth here and like the steam it. You can check my Instagram for this iron review. From all the product, this is more on expensive side. Rather, I would say It's an investment for all the content creator out there, and in general, if you love to click photos and videos, this is one stop solution for all. This is the portable tripod. You just have to open it like this and twist it. You will get two LEDs light. This is the yellow. This is the first setting and this is the yellow light. I hope the camera is capturing. This is the white light, which is subtle and very dim, and this is the mix of both. With this you will get the USB cable to charge the light. With this you will get the Bluetooth shutter, which probably I have lost or kept somewhere, but I will try to find it and show it, and it can become so long. So the quality is so good. This is so sturdy. This is totally worth investment. This tripod can fit any of your handbag. Even it can fit into your sling bag. This is so compact. Also, this is very lightweight. This is not heavy at all. The grip is so strong. Next up, I have this tote bag organizer. This is super handy when it comes to organize the tote bag for the travel. In this, you will get two zipper pocket and one big compartment. Also, I have some stuff over here. From both the side, you will get so many pockets. This is totally worth an investment. And without a tote bag organizer, the tote bag look very messy and you cannot find the stuff inside. Also, this is available in different sizes. You can choose accordingly. I have selected in the small size. Also, the material is not cheap. The quality is so premium. If you are like me, motion sick person, this container set comes super handy. It is so small. You can fill it up with the cardamom, soft and all. I keep this in my bag so that I don't forget. If you hassle to carry the big perfume bottle, this perfume refillables come super handy. I got this in the set of 5. This is 30 ml each. You just have to refill the perfume in this. Let me just show you the demo. Remove the cap of the perfume. Also this nozzle. You just have to insert this part into this white part like so, and you just have to spray it like this. Okay, can you guys see the perfume inside? You can keep this into your jeans pocket and you can keep this into a tiniest sling bag possible. This is way too good. Next, I have this makeup pouch. This is so big, you can store so much of makeup inside. Here you will get the zipper to store hairpins and all. To close it, you just have to pull this string like so. And see, this becomes so compact, and you just have to close it like this, and it will make your traveling so easy. You don't have to carry these big boxes of the vanity. You can just throw makeup in this bag and you are good to go. Next, I have this travel shoe pouch. This can store up to 4 to 5 shoes. When I went to Goa, it legit fit 6 flats. You will get this compartment. You just have to flip it like this. You will get another compartment, this compartment, and this compartment. Now it's time to ditch all the separate pouches for separate shoe. Instead, get this one. Up next, I have this 7 travel cubes. Oops. You will get 3 this net kind of thing. You will get this size. You will get this length, which you can easily hang it on the hook, this small pouch, and this shoe bag. It can easily fit up to 1 or 2 shoes. In these travel cubes, you can easily store all your outfit, loungewear, undergarments, and makeup, toiletries, each and everything. It saves a lot of space into the suitcase. Also, your suitcase will look so organized. Whenever I am traveling, I carry this, and you can just easily fold it and it will become so small. Let me just show you. Like this, you can fold it and you can easily store this, and it can easily fit into this, like see. And you can store this into your cupboard and it will not take so much of your space into the cupboard. In this video, whatever I have shown you, I legit carry each and everything while I am traveling. All the products are from Amazon, and also this video is not sponsored by Amazon by any means. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.